Hey y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters, ScottieDTV, but I was up to 2022 Detroit Autorama, and I caught up with the 1941 Chevrolet built by Rad Rides by Troy. A very cool car. I think y'all are going to like it. Let me get the camera turned around. We'll take a quick look at it. This is one of those cars that is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Rolling art. It's not cool, it's not aggressive, it's not any of those adjectives. It's a classy adjective because it's a classic car. Built by Rad Rides by Troy. It's a 1941 Chevrolet Fleetline. They didn't make a two-door Fleetline in 41. Only Troy's company made a 1941 two-door Chevrolet Fleetline. So understand that when we talk about body modifications, we're not even going to talk about them because they took a four-door and turned it into a two-door. Which means everything has to be changed. Everything has to be changed. You think not? I'm telling you it does. And it had to be refabricated, remade. Holy smokes, you can't even imagine the work to take one of these things. You gotta, I mean, just shorten it, that doesn't do it. You gotta keep, look, it's in perfect proportion, just like it, just like it was designed to be a two-door. That took a ton of work and a ton of money and a ton of talent. This alley turned out nice. It's a custom mix burgundy pearl. Beautiful paint. Looked awesome in Detroit. I love that they left some trim on it. All custom interior, but yet, it's got a little bit of a street rod vibe going to it, but it still has the classy old school kind of cool going to it. I dig that steering wheel. I love that center cap. How awesome is that? The dashboard. And then you got a late model shifter in it, Just Rad Rides always delivers. They don't deliver as often as they used to deliver, but they always deliver. Whenever they roll something out, it's always cool. And this 1941 Chevrolet Fleetline is no exception. Stance is awesome. Suspension, it's on active adjustable suspension. 18-inch one-off custom wheels. Look at that thing, it's gorgeous. All except for my reflection in the middle of it. I couldn't get a shot and get out of it too, so I apologize, but the wheels are just like the rest of the car. Beautiful. Nothing's over the top, nothing's overdone. You would never guess that this wasn't just a really, really nicely restored car, even if you didn't know what it is. Nickel plated trim, Art Morrison chassis. I'm a fan. And it's not my thing. I like street machines and stuff like that, and it's one of those that I wouldn't have built it, but I'm glad they did build it, and it is just very, very appealing to the eye. Beautiful. Everything about it, I wouldn't change a thing on it. I'd be proud to own it, that's for sure, now that it's done. And it wasn't competing for the Riddler up in Detroit. It had been shown before. And Moose, he's the one that transports all this stuff for Troy. And I'm cool with Moose as far as I know. I think a lot of him because he works his tail off and is always got everything ready to go when it needs to be ready to go. Lingenfelter LT1. Custom, I say valve covers, you know what I'm talking about. Very cleanly installed. I like the different shade of clear that they used up under there. But anyways, he always works so hard that I don't want to mess with him too much and have him opening this and closing that. And the trunk had some stuff in it, so, I didn't get all the shots that I wanted of this car, but it was, it was an opportunity to shoot it. You can see I had some good clear shots of it, and I knew y'all would want to see it. It's art. It's just beautiful. It's like driving Miss Daisy if Miss Daisy was the little old lady from Pasadena, right? This is what she would be tooling around in. Stance is awesome. Like I said, I wouldn't change anything. and I'd be proud to drive it. I'd be even cooler to sit in the back and have somebody else drive it while I played Rockstar on it. That'd be cool. So there you go, from the 2022 Detroit Autorama 1941 Chevrolet Fleetline. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya!
Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.